back. Is it working? Is it stable? I don't know. Let's see. Google. Yes, I can access Google. So, okay, so everything should be fine now. It should be much better now. Much better. In fact, I think it's twice as good now, because I believe I had 200 or 300 kilobyte per second here in the little corner here. So let's take a look here. I was googling images here. Let's see here. What do we find? So stop sign. I'm just gonna steal one of these. Oh, I like this one. Gonna copy the image. Gonna pirate image. This web. Make it bigger. Yeah, here we go. That's better. Okay, so I'm gonna fix this, of course. I am not an artist. I can't say that enough. I would like to learn. I just haven't. Well, having said that, I don't. Time and effort. Let's see, what will I do now? I'm gonna clean it a bit. Let's see what they have here. Actually, can I remove the entire thing? Because I know what I want to make now. Let's see. Ah, here we go. I'll make something similar. So this will be the edge. Oh, jeez. Let's see here. Is this on? Is the stream working? Gotta refresh it. Tells me something's wrong. Yeah, it's working. Okay, well, good. Good. I would imagine no one of you want to watch this. This part of the live stream, the boring part where I make a little sign, but this is just for testing anyway. I mean, I'm not going to do much today. Actually, I will do much today, but not in the beginning. So if you come back in an hour or so, I'm going to be coding a lot. I need normal, that's what I need. There we go. Yeah, perfect. That looks actually pretty good. Okay, so I have the border thing. It's a bit thick, but that's fine. Yeah, that's completely fine. So I'm gonna remove that for now. Gonna add a red background here. Let's see, how was it? About half. Okay, so like this-ish. And here, I'm just gonna paint some red. Let me turn off fast mode. There we go. Actually, let me just do this. There we go. Perfect. Okay, that's nice and clean. Epic Shinam RS. What are you saying yes to? You said yes, and I don't know what you said yes to. Sorry. It's about 10 or 15 second delay now on Twitch, which is amazing compared to YouTube. And I've been using YouTube for a while now for live stream. Although I haven't really been live streaming much in total. Just lately I've been getting into it, more or less. Yeah, it looks fine. I like that. Nice. Nice and clean sign. Almost too clean, actually. Ah, that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Can I, Okay, it does not pick with that. Oh, okay, I see what's wrong here. It's actually this one. Let's see, I fix that somehow. Clean. Yeah, I'm just being picky. I mean, who cares, right? Okay, so warning sign. What I want to say? Well, live stream. Yeah, perfect. Live stream. Now it's a bit too long, so I'm just gonna squish it together a little bit after changing the color, because I want it to be black. A black color. That'll work. No, it doesn't. Okay, I have to go here. There we go. Actually, what color were the text in the background? in the original image. It's white. Okay, so let's go with white then. Undo, undo, undo. Really? Are you kidding me? Wait, no, it's yes. I'll read it then. White. There we go. Just gonna squish it together a little bit. Looks fine. Looks fine. Yeah, live stream. Or I don't know. It looks kind of weird. Maybe. No? A little weird. A little too. I don't know. Long. Yes. Ah, there we go. Warning, live streaming. So what kind of message do we want? Okay, well. Let's see here. Okay, that's a bit too big. Can I remove that? Yes, of course I can. Okay, so 2 lines is maximum, so about so. Away from keyboard. The spacing is huge. I don't want that. AFK. I guess we can keep it simple. AFK BRB. Or I can make 2 of them. Back in 10. Easy, simple, on point. Yeah. Yeah, that works. I have my little sign now. Actually, I should probably use BRB on top here. Duplicate that. Put it up. Change the text, if it allows me. AFK BRB. Back in. Actually, I can actually create a custom thing using OBS, open broadcasting software. I can do my own thing with text, at least on specifying why, if I'm, you know, be back in 10 minutes or 1 minute, 2 minutes, so on. I don't know. Back in 10. Yeah, that works. Okay, save. Should probably add a background here. Let's add some background. Let's add some space or something. Space. Let's see. Ooh, I like that one. Wallpaper, so people can use it. Good, good. I don't trust that. No, I don't trust that. No, no, screw that. I'm not gonna do that. Ah, there we go. Ooh, beautiful. I like that. That's web. No. What kind of music am I listening to right now? Hey, what's wrong, Grit? What the hell is wrong with you? It's stuck in the corner. There we go. Yeah, it's just something. Like, oh, wait a moment. Cool. There we go. Okay, group. Sign. There we go. Okay, I'm not actually AFK now. I mean, you can see me obviously, but this is just something I'm preparing for the live stream. So I have it ready when I do have to go for whatever reason. Let's see. Desktop. AFK BRB sign. Dot JPG? JPG. JPG. That should be fine. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, let's open Krita here. Ops. I'm gonna do some magic with this, so hopefully this will be a bit confusing, probably. Create a new one, so this will be a AFK scene. I'm gone. I apologize. It's while I'm setting this up here. So here I'm gonna set up an image. Now you won't be able to see anything. I'm aware that you cannot see anything. And that is expected in this case. Do not be warned. Hold your horses. Browsing image. There we go. Now you should be able to see something here. Ah, perfect. So when I run this scene, I'm going to turn off my audio, so all you can hear is the music. Yeah, that worked. Actually, can I adjust them accordingly? I'm testing. I'm going to turn up the volume a bit, so I apologize. Okay, that did not work. I tried to see if I could actually bind the audio levels to the scene. So whenever I change the scene, the audio levels will change with it. But I have to manually do that. And that's fine. It's no problem with that. It's no problem. Okay, so I need some text. Yeah, that's what I needed. So I'll do that. Let's create a little text file on the desktop. And now you can't see anything now. I know. Screen. BRB text. Open with Notepad, of course. Eating. Yeah, that's a good text. Okay, let's try that. Okay. Actually, just for the sake of this, I'm gonna add my webcam so you guys can see I'm doing something here. Why not? Let's see this. Video capture. There I am. Is it working? I don't know actually. Ah, okay, I see why. I have to. No. Am I here? No, I'm not here. Why? That's a bit odd. Okay, I won't allow me to do that. So, okay, I'll just add this first now. So let me find the text. Text, gonna load from a file. There we go. Viewpoint file. Browse. Desktop. BRB text. There we go. In the upper left corner now you can see the text there. And that will be a text that I can change. The color is fine. I need to fix the size though. Can I add some outline? Yeah, let's add some outline. That's good. Oh, wait a moment. I need to be black actually. Let's fix that. Black. There we go. Now why would not... Ah, here we go. Size. Okay, 72. Okay, let's try a bit more than 72. Let's try 160. Ah, that's better. Okay, let's try that. Ah, perfect. Smooth. Let me change the text here. 1 + 1 is 2. Saving. Ah, sweet. Hehehe. Okay, good. It works. It works. 55 minutes. Yeah. Okay. I just need to make sure it's centered, and everything should be fine. Hello, Orange Hands. Welcome. I'm just doing some preparation for LudumDare. Now what I'm doing right now is just getting some live stream material. 2 + 2 is 7. That sounds familiar. Let's see. I want the center, so I'm gonna do that here. Transform. Order? No. It has to be here somewhere. Let's see. Ah, alignment. Centered. Vertical center. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, let's start testing. 1. Okay, that did not work. Let's try it again. Let's try some long text. What the hell? Did I not save it? Let me try it again. Okay, let me see. Yeah, alignment in center. Vertical alignment in center. Huh. That is good. Yeah, I want to save the changes, please. Can I... What kind of nonsense is this? You want to allow me to center it? Transform. Edit transform. Okay. Aha! Center. There we go. Now it should work. Yes, it does. Swedish? No, but that's actually a very good guess. I am Norwegian. Oh jeez, no! Stop! Why? Get back here. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. I'm breaking everything here. Apparently I pressed Control S on OBS, and when you do that it fills the screen with what I'm selecting. Let's make it fit a bit better here. There, and there we go. Okay, let's see. 1. Oh no. No, we don't want that. Let me re-add that. Texting. BRB text. Okay, let's try it again. file. Insert file. UV text. There we go. Okay, she has 1 in the upper left corner now, I think. And the font size will be 160. Okay. Okay, and now we should work. I should probably change the font though. Color, rather. So I'm gonna do that. Color. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, the drinking game. Every time I say okay, so, or now, take a shot, you will immediately die. Because I have a habit of saying that, like, now, something, or so, or okay. That's something I noticed when I was editing a few videos. I say that a lot, and I edit that out a lot. Because you notice it after a while. Let's see, alignment, center, okay. Let's fix the transform, center. Okay. Perfect. I think I'm good. Just gonna make the text longer. Long text is long. Perfect. Okay, I'm good. I mean, this is good. Back in 10 min? Would that work? Yeah. All capital letters. Okay, so that's set now. That's ready, and I can close it for now. Woo! I'm back. Okay, so do I? Okay, I think I'm good. What else do I need? Now, like I said, during the live stream, I'm not going to be having a face cam all the time. I'm going to put it on and off whenever I talk. I'm going to be doing a lot of work, and this is kind of in the way when I'm going to draw, because I'm going to draw sketches. I'm just going to make some quick animations when I need it. It's not going to look great. The game is going to look very crude. But that in itself can be a lore. It can be like an incentive to play. It's like, what the hell is that? It looks so weird. Let's try it out. So I'm going for that. That's my goal. To make such horrible artwork that people want to play it just to see what other horrible artworks I have in store for them. My plan is ingenious. I will take over the world someday. Okay. What else? What else? You know what? Screw the face cam thing. I won't be using it all the time either way, so this is fine. Keep it simple. Keep it simple. That's something I have to remind myself all the time, because I don't like simple. I like to fancify everything. Should I save this? I'm gonna save this. Save this as a Krita file here. Krita? No. Pictures. Maybe sign. Krita. Yes, okay. Perfect. Actually, you know what I might do? Screw it. Screw it. I was thinking maybe I could make add some text on the bottom so you can see what music is playing at all time. But screw it. Screw it. What topics did you vote for? Actually, I just learned about this yesterday, so I'm just jumping in naked more or less for LudumDare. So I don't really know what to expect. So all of this is new to me. So right now I'm just preparing for this, literally, because I have no idea what to expect. I don't even think I've registered on their site. I should probably do that. Have I? I haven't, have I? No, I haven't. Have I? I don't know. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Let's see here. Ludum. No, I haven't. So I gotta create an account right now. Hello, NinGamerLTU. Oh, cool. So what are you making? Or well, I guess you would know until you know the theme. Do you have any idea what you will make then? I guess that's a better way of phrasing it. Orwin. I'm gonna hide this because I don't want you guys to, spoil my account details. There we go. Activation email sent. Okay, good. Now, it's not that important that you don't see the email or anything. It's just, Yeah. What kind of okay, here's a better question for you. or for all of you, if you are participating in LudumDare, what kind of engine will you work with, or will you create your own thing? I mean, that's possible too, but usually not very suitable for game jams, where time is of essence, speed is key and such. Gotta log into my email. Custom game engine, really? Is that the name of the engine, or do you mean you have your own custom game engine that you have prepared for this? Oh, wow! No. Is that an engine? That's an engine? Like, is that the name of a custom engine? Okay, create an engine from scratch. Introduce to the games. Harder. Yeah, I mean, oh. That's what I would love to do that too, actually. Now, it's not because I don't like any other engine, it's just because to get the experience of having done that, to get a better insight of how engines work. And I believe my first game project ever was I had to make my own thing, using only a library. So I had to do my own thing, although it's nothing compared to probably what you guys are. LudumDare is a... Let me actually find the text here. LudumDare. I lost LudumDare. There it is. Let's see here. We are making video game. LudumDare is one of the world's largest and longest running game jam events. Every 4 months, we challenge creators to make a game from scratch in a weekend. And that's what it is. Now, I haven't participated myself, so I mean, that's the extent of what I know. I've heard of it before, like years ago, or a year ago, or less than a year. I've heard about it. I just haven't participated or shared it out. And one of the reasons I now started live streaming on Twitch instead of YouTube was because they have a community, and I hope I am added to it now. I don't know how it works. I kind of just set it as actually I can show you guys. Hold on. Like here, this is the dashboard for my live stream. Ooh, private stuff, you know. Reset name, and this, here I got the opportunity to set the community name. And as now I'm preparing for the LudumDare. I'm setting it as creative because I'm not playing in the game, so creative is probably the most appropriate choice. I am going to work with Godot engine for this project, by the way. It's a really nice. It's a nice game engine. I use it for all my 2D projects. Let's see here. Okay, one thing at a time here. I'm trying to do a lot at the same time, so I need to check my email. I need to confirm it so I can actually. Password. That one. That's the one. Okay. Now, there we go. Confirm my email address. There we go. Yes. Like I said, I'm new to LudumDare. I have it in registered. It's registered. And that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, how my name appears. What name am I gonna be using? Well, I mean, most of the time I go with my name, Ivan Scullion. Like on YouTube, website, well, everywhere, really. However, I guess the Twitch channel will be a little more personal, I guess, because I mean, I might play games on it. I mean, I don't know. So it's not exclusively Ivan Scullion, programming, game development, Godot engine, and so on. So I don't know. I'm gonna stick with Type of Woe for these kind of events. Let's see here. Password. Let's get the password here. Password. LudumDare. That's not my password. I'm doing something else. That one. Create account. Account created. I can now log in. Let's do that. Let's see here. Make sure to save this. Save. Okay. I'm logged in. Let's take a look here. Let's see what we have here. No see that. Hey, ooh, email. Okay, let me get the Twitter. Which a vehicle engine simulator. Godot. Ah, Godot. Okay, let me show you what Godot is. GodotEngine.org. Godot is an advanced, future-packed, multi-platform 2D and 3D open-source game engine. It's completely free. It's under MIT. You can even just copy it and resell it under another name. You can do whatever you want with it. And that's one of the lores that the reason I got into it about a year or so ago. So let's showcase here. Let's see what we have here. So we have like very simple product. They can do HTML5, although it's a lot of work remains to improve HTML5 browser games, but it's there. There is Android. You can add to iPhone, Mac, Windows. Did I forget something? Linux, and so on. So it's multi-platform basically, and it also runs on each platform. And I believe the entire engine is only a few megabytes in size, which is crazy compared to, for example, Unity, which has several hundred megabytes. Let's see if I can find. Okay, this is on Steam, so I don't know what the size of that is. It's about 17 megabyte entire engine, which is crazy. Why I use Godot? Because I'm going to work on through the game now, probably. Actually, I don't know. If the theme is so good and I just think of a great 3D game, I'm probably gonna use Unreal Engine, even though I'm a newbie at that. That's the latest engine I'm trying to learn. But I'm gonna do Godot Engine probably, because that's what I'm most familiar with. Oh jeez. 10 viewers? What's going on here? Is there something going on here that I don't know about? It's crazy. I haven't even done anything. Okay, so let's take a look at LudumDare. What do I need to know? There are also rules, and I've read them. Let's see. Is this the one? Is this the one? No. I want to know specifically about this. Hold on. 12 hours. This is the one I want to know about. Where is it? Where is it? This one? There we go. Yeah. Okay, LudumDare 38. That's the one I'm going to participate. It's gonna start at 3 AM, or rather... Oh my god. The time has changed. I believe it was... Yeah, the time has definitely changed by 1 hour. So it's gonna start 3 AM for me. In the middle of the night. Let's take a look at the rules here. The Jam. The Jam is the LudumDare event for everyone, teams, individuals, anyone that want to come out and make something. Work alone on a team, create a game in 72 hours, or 48 hours if you're doing the there's another one, I think. Oh, let me just search 48. There we go, the compo. The compo is the classic LudumDare. Another way to think of it as LudumDare hard mode. Combo games are created entirely from scratch by one person in 48 hours, and that's what I'm going for. However, if for some reason I find that there's no way I'm gonna finish this project in time, I'm just gonna go for the jam. So that gives me another day. But my goal is 48 hours. That's my goal, but we'll see. I must work alone. Check. All your game content, music, art, etc. must be created for the 48 hours. Check. I can do that. I can create music. Well, I can create sounds. I'm gonna make the silliest game ever. Maybe. Source code must be included. Of course, I'm all for open source. I put all my stuff on GitHub. Well, I will once I'm done. Use any tools. You can start with any base code, etc. That's almost cheating. I mean, I could just create kind of like a finished game template or something and just, I don't know. This is a bit too vague in my opinion for this. You can start with any base code. Like, what is base code? Who determines what the base code is? The theme will be announced, I believe, 12 hours, 5 5 minutes, 15 seconds. At least to my understanding. Is the music level good? It's not distracting, I think, when I talk. Let's see. Yeah, compo games are typically reviewed harsher than jam games. If your game closely resembles a sample game that comes with a Ludum tool, it probably gets. That's fine. Shh. Be sure to fully customize and make it your own. Yes, I will. Oh my god. Actually, I'm gonna move Twitch to the left side because the chat on Twitch is on the right side, so I have to look all the way to the right there. Let me move things around. You go there, I minimize that, close that, you go there. You come over here. Oh yeah. Ooh, I can create rooms. I want to do that though. Let's see, can I get a drop out this? Let's see. Mode. Pop out! Yay! Perfect. That's what I'm looking for. Test. Although I didn't get any of the previous messages, which is a shame. So I missed everything else you wrote before test. You can use whatever you want for LudumDare. I mean, any engine. Just make sure all your source code is included for your stuff. I think. Let's see. If you go for the jam, look alone, the team, and you can use any tools or libraries to create your game. You're free to start with any base code you may have. You're free to use third-party artwork, music, blah 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 if you previously created, but we ask that you opt out of the respective voting categories. Okay. We strongly recommend that you only use assets that you have the legal right to use, spell domain, etc. There are also non-video game entries apparently. But that is not interesting. Here we go. Source code influence. Sharing source code. Okay, so apparently you don't need to share your source code for the jam if you participate in that. At least I can't see any entries that ask you to do so. Of course, they seem to recommend it. Sharing source code is one of the best ways. Opt out. Opt out just means to let them know you don't intend to participate in the graphics or audio category. So if I'm yeah, let's see here. LudumDare game source code? We heard many stories of people getting into the game development. Oh, okay, like a job, thanks to the source code they submit. Huh? Let's see here. Okay. Okay, I think I'm ready for this. However, where am I supposed to submit it? I assume here. Somewhere. Somewhere here. Right? Whoa! I'm here! I mean, I'm here! Cool. Very cool. Vectors overkill from info. DLA. I feel like I missed a little conversation here. Variable length arrays. Ta-da. Caruffle. Who is Caruffle there? I can't. Oh, there you are. Ah, I see it now. No, I mean I was reading Caruffle. I was thinking you had a different nickname, so I asked who is Caruffle because I was thinking Caruffle you had a different nickname, but I see you there. I can't keep up with your chat. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's. I think I need to do something here. Do any of you guys know where to submit this when you're done? Because I can't seem to find information about this. Because I haven't done this before. I don't know anything. I'm just trying to figure out how to set everything up so everything is ready by the time the event begins. begins. Hosting. You can submit your game anytime. Blah blah blah. You check. 48 hours. 2 steps to submitting a game to LudumDare. First, need to host your game and possibly source it somewhere. Oh, so I can add it anywhere? Really? Ooh. Ooh, I like that. That makes it easy. Guess I'll use GameJolt or Itch.io. GameJolt, Itch.io. I don't know. I mean, I like GameJolt for the community there. Itch.io is more has better customization for your game page, I think. Why isn't anything available? Let's see. Does this work? No. Apparently no features are available here. Unless... Oh, I see what's wrong. Okay, so this is just supposed to get me here. What do I need to host? GitLab. GitLab is perfect for private projects. I use GitLab for all my public projects, but I have like 30 or something or so project in GitLab. But I agree, like GitLab don't want you to, you know, pay a lot of money just to have a few private repositories, but with GitHub, nope. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm never ever gonna upload here. I'm never ever gonna upload here. Well, maybe here, but never here. This is a horrible site. I'm not gonna go into it. But Itch.io and GameJolt, good sites. Okay, so I can do whatever I want. So no problem. Okay, so I'm good. I'm good. Well, I should set up a repository. Well, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna do everything when we start. Actually, there's no rush for this. Doing this. So I guess I'm ready now. I'm just gonna experiment a little with AI, because I have yet to actually do anything with AI, anything with bots, basically. So what I want to do is I want to create a simple program, I guess. When I hit play, I want the bots to kind of get from A to B. It's probably easier than I think it is. I just haven't done it, so I don't know. So I'm gonna take this away. But if you have any questions regarding Godot Engine, by the way, feel free to ask them. If I don't see it right away, I apologize, because you guys are very aggressive in chat. I mean, writing a lot, so and that's great. That's great. It's just a new experience to me, to be honest. It's not often people just spam the livestream chat. Okay, so let's start with Godot Engine. Pathfinding, yeah, that's what I'm gonna work with. Definitely. Yeah, you guys are so aggressive. Maybe that's a bad choice of word on my part here. Let's see. I guess I'll start a new project. And if you guys haven't used Godot Engine, I guess it's a good opportunity to introduce you to Godot Engine, you know? It's a very clean engine, very simple, it's very user-friendly. So I'm gonna start a new project here. This is Godot 2.1.3. They're working on 3.0, which is significantly improved Godot Engine. I can't hear myself talk, so I don't know if I'm saying it right. Okay, let's find where should I add it? Project folder. I should add it somewhere visible. Let's create a LudumDare. I create a LudumDare folder. No, I don't want to call it LudumDare. Whatever. Everything went wrong here. I'm gonna close that. I'm gonna reopen that. I will stream more. Yes, I will stream more. Well, more. I mean, I'm really streaming a lot. At least since I began. Now, I'm never gonna stream more in general. Yeah, that's all. I'm gonna stream more in general when I have time. Currently, I'm just working portfolio, studying. When I say study, I don't mean school study. I mean like personal studies. Like now, I'm gonna study how to create pathfinding AI. Okay, let's create a new project for real now. There. Open, create new folder. Let's call the project pathfinding. Next, why not? You can just do it right now. I mean, honestly, I don't even know if I'll finish a game for the time limit, dead limit, time limit. But I will still do it, and I'll see what happens. On my first game jam, the first game jam ever, I created a chicken shooter game. Chicken shooter. It is what it sounds like. It's a chicken shooter. You're a chicken that shoot other chickens with a huge gun. It was quite fun, but I didn't finish it. And the game balance was horrible. Why is this project starting? Hello? Is this a bug? Or am I just not thinking while talking? That's a possibility too. Because when I talk, I mean, you're doing two things at once: thinking or talking. I have to choose one. New project, let's try again. I could have sworn I picked a... Pathfinding, open, create, select. Okay, now everything is good. I lost the windows here. Let me get it over there. Just make games, yeah. Just make games. That's a good motto, just make games. Doesn't matter what you make. You can make it... Snake Simulator or something. Okay, so this is a 3D view. I haven't used this ever. So I am exclusively 2D in Godot. That being said, it doesn't mean I'm against 3D in Godot. I'm just a 2D person in Godot. I might at some point use 3D. Okay, so what should I do? I'm gonna create some... I'm gonna create a main... Oh yeah, if you're new to Godot, good way to introduce yourself. So, Node work in a... Godot work in a node hierarchy-based... I'll just show you. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a node. A node, it's gonna be control node. This is gonna be the root node for our entire game. I'm gonna name this main, because this is gonna be the main scene, the main TSCN, which is just a text scene, readable. So if you have control versioning system, you can actually read the differences in GitHub and so on. I'm gonna say, wait. Pathfinding? I just created a project named LudumDare. Okay, you know what? Fine. I'll live with that for now. Let's save that. What's the site for LudumDare? If someone else isn't posting, they have a weird URL for LudumDare. LudumDare is ldjam.com. Put this here. Just make games. Yeah, that's a good motto. Okay. Actually, what I'd like to do, I wouldn't mind see if I can actually get the Twitch chat on the screen. I think that would be interesting. I know it's possible. I just haven't done anything like that. Let's see here. Window capture, maybe that one. No, ooh, no. Okay, for some reason it doesn't want me to select that one. This should, in theory, be the Twitch chat window, but it's black for some reason. Actually, hold on here. Obs black window capture, because I've encountered this before and I managed to fix it. I just don't remember how. Let's see if I can do that. I'm not using any video. And even if I did, how would I do that? I mean, just tell me to do it. It doesn't mean that I know how to do that. Actually, is the oven on? Try to make sure the oven is off, because it's pretty warm here. Okay, let's see here. Ah, area disabled. Okay. I might have to restart the Google. Why don't I use Google? I don't know. Privacy, I guess. I mean, obviously I don't care that much about privacy because I'm using my name everywhere. I have a YouTube channel. I'm there. I'm here. I'm on Twitch. I'm on Twitter. But you know, I'm trying to get rid of the Google addiction. Let's just stick with that explanation. Okay, so that doesn't work. Didn't work. Every off. Run ops admin global sources add game capture and name select. But it's not the game that I'm doing though, so I don't know. Not browser. I think I read that one. Oop, there you go. DuckDuckGo! Yeah, actually that's a good name for a game. So if I can do that, I'll make a game called DuckDuckGo. It sounds like a superhero duck movie. Actually, huh? I don't know. It depends on the theme. I haven't decided on the game yet. I'm just kind of what's the expression? Throwing things out there. Let's see. Can I? Projector stream? No. Output. Video. I can't seem to find any way to do that. That's good. I don't think anyone knows what the theme is yet, unless you're inside. Unless it's an inside jump somewhere and someone spoils it a bit early. I guess that's possible too. Okay, I guess I'll go back now to Godot Engine. 49 minutes? The jam? No, it's many hours. Many hours. If you go on LudumDare website, it says here in the upper right, 11 hours, 47 minutes, some seconds. So for me, it's starting tomorrow. So basically, I'm going to go to bed a bit early today and wake up about 3 AM, 4 AM, I don't know. I might not wake up. I might just wake up at 7 or so and start then. But I will be live streaming the entire sessions I'm here coding. I probably won't be talking much, and I probably will remove my face cam for that time. I'll turn it on when I'm talking, taking a break, something, I guess. We'll see. Okay, let's go back to Godot here. Okay, I don't even know where to begin, to be honest. I'm just gonna begin by creating a simple collision shapes here and there, and we'll see what happens. So, these are obstacles, basically. Obstacle 01, and here we're gonna have a sprite, and that sprite's gonna be a very simple Godot icon. Let's use a collision shape, 2D. I'm gonna add a shape. I'm gonna use a rectangle. Actually, I'm gonna manually enter a size 32 by 32 because the sprite size is 64 times 64. Let's move that over here somewhere. So I'm gonna make it in top-down fashion. I don't know. Should I make it top-down? I guess I should, because most of what I make is usually top-down, because it gives you more, I guess, more freedom than just to the right and being stopped by gravity. I don't know. It depends on the theme, really, I guess. But I need to do AI experiments anyway, or pathfinding, I guess. Why do you do this? I wish you would add a 0 in front of it. Doesn't matter. So I'm gonna create a node to contain all of these nodes using node 2D. Okay, so we have a few obstacles now. They're all solid and functional static bodies. How will I use pathfinding? Well, first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna search. I'm gonna duck it. Go it. Bird. Pathfinding 2D demo. Oh yeah, hold on, there might be a demo for this. That's very true. Can I open multiple instances? Yeah, I can. Good. Let's see. Demos. Yay! I think I found what I need. Let's see here. A star. Star A. I don't know. I mean, I know about it. I just don't remember if it's star A or A star. And that's what I'm looking for right now, because I haven't worked with it, so I don't really know anything about it. Let's see. Ah, did I miss it? I missed it, didn't I? A star, A star, A star, A star. Or... These are my projects. That's not what I want. There we go. Navigation? I think it is one. Let's try this one. A star. Oh, using bloom on the path. Let's see. Or is it just the texture itself? Could be the texture, I guess. Yeah, I think it's the texture itself that's bloomy. Bloomy. Agent. Let's see what happens here when I play. Oh, I have to click it. Ooh. Okay, interesting. That's very interesting. So I clicked outside now. Let's see what happens. Okay, it goes to the closest area. So I have to go here. Ah, that's cool. That's something I would like. So basically, the mouse click in this case would be the player or me or the enemy or something, the target basically. So, and basically my click area would change all the time. So I would be moving and the enemy would be following me. So this is actually a very good example for me to get what I need. The experience I need to do this. So it's gonna follow me. So even if I were to jump here, I keep moving here, it's gonna follow me. It's like, oh no, it's following me. Good. Let's find out how this works. Wow, is this all? Wow, holy crap. As easy than I thought. But now it's understanding. Okay, we have a speed. I assume it's the speed of the clicking. Yeah. So how fast can it go? Pretty damn fast. Okay, well, I'm impressed. Okay, so that's good. Let's see, we have a begin vector and end vector. We have a path. The path does what? Now, when I start, path size is greater than 1. If it's not, turn it off. Okay, let's see here. Input, I'm clicking. I get a reference to the engine position, as set it as the beginning. I get reference to the end position, which is where I click it. No, wait, local. Why would you use local? Can you use global on this? Did that work? I'm gonna see if that works. Because that would be more that would be preferable actually. Let's see if that works. Let's see if that does anything. Okay, that does not work at all. That absolutely does not work. Okay, why do we require the local? Hold on. Okay, so they're not children or anything, they're just Napoli. Napoli. I got Beatbox, Music Maker. Let's see what this is. I gotta turn on the music I'm playing background to actually hear anything. If I can find it. Okay, pause on the music. Let's see, what's this? There's no sound. Island? Oh, okay. Cool. I don't know, I'm just clicking. Let's see what's going on. Can I, what is this? I mean, okay, it goes from this Okay, so looping. So one is that. Oh, okay. Ah, okay, I see how this works now. So I can have multiple tracks. So what kind of sound is this? I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to make music. I want to learn, though. Create things. Create things? I don't like the sound of that at all. It sounds horrible. It sounds horrible. Okay, let's see. Song settings. What does that even mean? Song settings. Oh, is this a key? No, I don't want that. B? Oh, okay, entire song. It's kind of the, what was it, C? Yeah, C is good. A little slower. Okay, cool. How does it work? How can I export this then? Export. What kind of formatting? WAV, MIDI, JSON. Ooh, cool. Okay, I like that. Cool. I might use this actually. And I wouldn't have to get, what's the name? I don't know. I wouldn't have to search for it, basically. Okay, I don't like this sound anymore. It's too... You go 0, you go 0. How far out does it go? Ah, okay. So now I see how that works. Okay, let's see, what kind of track is this? I missed. Ooh. I'm just playing around. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. I create music just by randomizing things, apparently. This is horrible. Absolutely horrible. It's almost okay, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, but now I know about this. I'm gonna add this. You go away. Okay, I'm gonna add this. I don't want this though when I add it. I want only this. Go away. Okay, adding it to live stream. Can you please go down? No, okay. I guess I'll take the entire thing then. Let's add it there. We have audio. We have okay, let's put on music again. Whew. Okay, I wish I could. Can I see how long I've been streaming? Let's see. Okay, well, an hour. About an hour now. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off now. So now I have a demo for Pathfinder, so I can use this to learn. Oh wait a moment, what's this? Navigation. Is that the node for navigation? Oh, okay, so you have navigation 2D. And then we have navigation polygon instance. Well, that makes things a lot easier, maybe? Can I have multiple instances instead of just one? How would that work? I mean... Does it have to be within the area? I mean, I guess I can do that. So like this would be rock or something in the middle here. That could work. So the way this is made, I can basically just draw my game in art and just place it there and then add the nav poly on it, navigation thingy. But do it have to be a child of this? I'm going to put this on the side there and open the other product. I'm going to see if I can redo it in here. Okay, so I don't know about the obstacles then, how that work. So Let's try navigation 2D. Very odd. Okay, navigation 2D. This will be the well, I'm just gonna keep the name. Navigation 2D. Okay, so then we have an image of where we want it to go, but I don't need the image. I'm just gonna use these the icons as the obstacles that we have to avoid. So here's the thing: do I have to make everything a child of it? So if I have an enemy, so let's make an enemy. Go to the kinematic body. Kinematic. Rigid. Kinematic. This will be the enemy or NPC or something, I don't know. Let's see. NPC, that works. Let's add a sprite to that. Oh, I need some placeholder artwork, so I'm gonna see if I can find that. Let's see. Placeholder. Placeholder game artwork. I don't remember the website. I used to have a lot of tabs for that, but I lost it. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. Royalty-free artwork. Royalty-free game textures. Open game art, that's one of them. That might be all I need. Let's see, player. Yeah, this should be fine. Yeah, this is fine. I'll just use one of these. What the hell? What is this? OGA? What does that mean? Ah, it should be fine. I'm only doing the testing anyway. I'm not gonna do anything with it. Not gonna do anything with this. Like that. Yes, that's one folder. Big ideas in little time. That's a very common problem. Where did I save it? Oh, here we go. Let's make some simple artwork here. Let's just get a player. That should be fine. That's looking very silly, but that should work. Copy, paste. Yeah, it's fine. Let's see, default. I wanted to face up though, so I'm gonna rotate the thing. Rotate to left 90 degrees. There you go. Okay. Save. Desktop. npc.png. Just for testing in a way. Here we go. How does it know its own collision box? Oh, I forgot to turn down the speed a little bit there. Okay, it doesn't. So basically the center there is about, let's see here. Yeah, this little thing here, offset. If I were to turn it back to the middle, yeah, so that's the middle, that's where it won't leave the edge in the middle there. So by moving the offset down a little bit, oh, it's the wrong way. Minus 20? Yeah, minus 20. It appears from a perspective. Yeah, like so. Okay, so good to know. Honestly though, I don't quite know how to do this. The center will be here then. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use a I guess I can use offset, can't I? Or the sprite rather. Offset, so Y20, 120, 125, 27? 27, good. But it's too small. I need to create a padding for this basically, but this is just for testing anyway. See if it works. I have no idea. It's, I don't even know if I'm going to be using pathfinding. 20 viewers? No way. I can't see how many people are here. That would explain why a lot of people are typing in the little chat there. What's this? My head is getting bigger. I gotta deflate a little bit there before my ego explodes. The burden of okay, close that, close this, move that. So no pressure then. So for all the new people that are spying, viewing this, I don't know. I am experimenting with pathfinding Godot engine in preparation for LudumDare. I have not worked with pathfinding before. I mean, I have worked a lot with Godot, I made a lot of games, well, a lot of games, a lot of projects, examples, and experimenting a lot in general, but I haven't made pathfinding yet. So I'm gonna see if I can just create a very simple pathfinding project, getting the player, or rather the NPC, from left to right, so you can kind of avoid everything. And I honestly have no idea how that works. I'm gonna experiment by using a sample project. It seems amazingly simple. I mean, this is all the code involved in creating pathfinding. So I'm gonna kind of duplicate this and see if I can make my own adjustments to it. Ideas are easy to get, easy to have. That's all I got. I was going to do a speech about ideas and actually doing them, but screw it. Let's see here. Okay, where were I? Navigation, pathfinding. Let's take a look. Okay, let me add here. Let me add the script for this. Actually, let me add the domain. Is that what I would do in real life if this were a real game? Let's remove comments. Pathfinding experiment number 1. So let's begin by getting a few variables. So we want a movement speed. So speed, actually it will be constant. Const var speed? Const speed. I think const speed is enough. 200 to match the example here. Let's make it float. There we go. So we need, what else do we need? We need reference to the navigation 2D. We expect Half-Life 3. Yeah, I was going to, that's what I was originally planning to play. Half-Life 3 live streaming, because I don't usually play games. I mean I do, but live streaming I don't usually do games much, very well, English broken. But I might do that at some point. I mean, you never know. Maybe I'll create a Gaming Monday event. I don't know. Already var navigation. Music stopped. Where did music go? Apparently we reached the end of the playlist I'm playing here. Let's take a look here. What else do you have? No copyright sound. Electronics. So what do you guys want to listen to? Pick one. Vote, and I'll just pick one at random on the comments here. House, melodic, dubstep, drumstick, trap, house. Okay, these are just the same thing. Tobu. That's the one we just listen to now. We listen to Tobu. Yeah, is it loud now? Because I won't increase. I will not increase the volume if it's really loud. Or let's just pick one. Just pick one. Hardstyle, electronic. I don't know, because so many options. Concentration music. Okay, I know what you mean. Problem is, it's hard to find any concentration music I can play, because of, you know, legal reasons and such. Because I don't own the music, which is why I pick no copyright music or royalty-free music in general. Is that here? Anything here you see? Fusion. I don't know what that is. Can I play any music? Really? Are you sure? Are you sure about that? Are you sure? So if I were to play, I don't know. I can't think of any popular music because I don't really listen to music often. So if I were to listen to, say, Man of War or something like that, I don't know. That's just something popped in my head. So that would be fine. I can just listen to this, and people wouldn't just quit the live stream. I don't know. Lots of options here. Hold on. Twitch. Can I stream with any music? Save recordings. Ah, damn it. Well, I was actually thinking of storing recordings, adding it on YouTube later on. That would be a problem. So I guess that breaks that deal. Yeah, that's a deal breaker. Okay, but that's good to know. So as long as I don't keep the recordings, it should be fine. Good to know. Yeah, I would. Yeah. Metallica, System of Down. I like that. I approve that. Let's go back here. But if you guys won't pick any from these options here, I'm just gonna pick one. Revenge of the Tits, and tits are the birds, right? So if I Google, I don't dare googling it right now. Actually, I'll do it from this window here. Bird tits. That's birds, and hopefully there won't be any answer weird. Yeah. Ah, see here. See. So we want to make a game of these. The birdies. Trap. Okay, trap. That's the first thing I saw now. Let's select a trap. Trap. I think I saw a trap here. Yeah, here we go. It's a trap. It's done. Closing that, closing this, moving that, and let's continue. Navigation, pathfinding, Godot engine. There I click that link. Now I know it's YouTube, so it's safe, but dubstep, trap, dubstep. What? Well, I saw 2 traps now, so trap is the winner so far. So unless all of you are shouting a different genre from the options I had available, I think we'll stick with this for a little while. But if it's loud, let me know, because I can turn this down. I did a little test beforehand, and the music was kind of fine. Although I didn't test with vocals, so I don't know. Okay, try that. Ready. Navigation 2D. Get node. Here's the easy part about Godot. It's so easy. It's so straightforward. It's like, get this. Okay, get navigation 2D. Just give me it. Give me. Okay. So already I'm gonna get that. So now I have reference to this node. Okay, so what I want to do with it, I don't know. Let me open the project example here, so I can find out. Okay, we have a begin and an end, and then a path. Okay, so let me do that. Let me get those. So we have a bar. Although those must be variables I can store on each sprite, but we'll have to get it to work. So begin vector 2 var end equals vector 2. So using those, need an array to store What are we storing in the array? Let's see. If path size is greater than 1, we do something, else we stop. Let's see. We begin by pressing to make the agent NPC move. So we get the position and we set the position as beginning. Let's begin with that. I'm gonna add a position 2D. Oh yeah, one of the reasons I want to record these videos or store them, also the one reason I can't play copyright music, is because I found that people can benefit from all recording, even though I'm not really doing anything. But I am doing something technical. So for beginners want to learn Godot, just kind of browsing through videos is a good way to get an idea of the workflow and how people use Godot. So that's one of the reasons behind it. Also, it's fun when I imagine when I get 100 years older from now. So 100 years from now, I can watch the old videos and like, huh, I did that. Okay, interesting. Imagine that would be weird. Okay, so we have the end position now. So let me get a reference to. Well, I guess the end will be the end position, so I'm just gonna do that directly here. End position. Okay, but here's the thing. I recall when you said end, you did something weird here. I didn't quite get this. Yeah, I know. I'm just gonna stick to not playing copyright music when I do this. Let's see here. Begin. Okay, that's straightforward. That's straightforward. I get that. Let's see here. This is the input event, so every time I click it, it's gonna happen once. Okay, this happened once. I just need a position to that thing over there. Can I? Is it big enough for this? I guess I can do this. Although it's a bit cramped. We'll see. Okay, so end position. End position. That's set once, right? Does it change afterwards? Or maybe. Vector 2. So when I start, I'm gonna immediately make NPC move to the end position. That's my goal. That's my goal of my experiment here. Godot can into 3D now. Yeah, Godot has always, always. It's fully functional 3D here. And Godot 3.0 is gonna get way better with 3D. Way better, like almost Unreal level. Well, I can't really say because I'm a 2D guy. Let's see here. A lot of people are excited for 3.0. A lot of people. Okay, end position. Let's get the end position here. So end position equals. What is event position? That's a mouse position. And then I get. What position is this? Oh, it's the navigation. Okay, so I need to get the navigation to the position. So the difference between the current position or the end position, which is I'm gonna get reference here. Ready. Var end position equals get node end position. So end position get position. Do I have to even do that on? Yeah, I probably do. Minus the navigation to the position. So this. Oh, now I get it. Okay, I understand now. Of course, because it's all relative to this. This, because they're all children. Oh wait, here. Yeah. So we need to get the relative position to this. We get the position to this. So if this were, let me move this. If this were here. Well, actually, that's wrong. There we go. It will still work. Because we need to get relative position to this. Okay, I mean, I could be wrong, but that's what I believe so far. So let's see here. Scripting. itch.io confuses me. itch.io is very different. Every single game's page is very, very different, and that's what I love about itch.io, because it allows you to do greater customization for your for the presentation of the game you're making. So they're great for that. Okay, this should work. So I will give the local position over endpoint. Yeah. But I gotta set this begin position, so our begin is just the position of our current of where it is right now. So let's get the NPC reference here. Hello, Pixel1. Welcome to a preparation live stream, I guess. Get node. Talking and thinking doesn't mix very well. I apologize if I stutter or just stop doing anything as I talk. Let's get the position of an MC here. Okay. So when we start, we're just gonna get the position of MC, we're just gonna get the M position. Let's see what else happened there. We're updating the path. Is this where it calculates the path? Get simple path. That's a function for the navigation 2D. We get the start and end position, and I don't know what that does, so I'm gonna find out what that does. I'm gonna move that to the side now, so I can get some bigger window. Is this big enough for you? Can you read? I don't know the quality of the stream. I think it should be good quality. I believe it should be good quality. Let's see here. Update the pathfinding. So, update path. Let's copy that. Remove pass, create a new function. Pass. So, update the path from start to end. Actually, should we begin to end? Rename this start. Let's see, code base. No, I'm just warming up. Okay, I'm good. I'm glad the quality is good. I'm just playing around. I'm not really doing anything. I'm not making a game. I'm just testing now, because I haven't worked with pathfinding, so I'm gonna see how difficult it is to set up some NPCs to just walk around here and there. So I figure I'm gonna create several for patrol routes or something. I'll use several of these and just create multiple. So it might randomly select a close one and go towards it. And using the navigation 2D, it makes things easy. So we'll see. I don't know. The 3D art. 3D art. Oh, you're just gonna do it. Are you working a team, Vito Gaming? With other people, or are you working alone? I assume working with other people, since you say you're gonna do 3D art. Oh yeah, no, I get it. What do you mean? You're preparing the 3D art because, okay, I'm forgetting that for the jam and not the compo, you can actually prepare material. I'm gonna aim for the compo, the 48-hour one. However, if I fail miserably, I'll give myself extra 24 hours by going for the jam. So we'll see. But I'm aiming for the compo, so we'll see where we get. I don't know. It all depends on inspiration and what I get out of the theme, because I have to think of a game. So I'm gonna use probably an hour or 2 or 3, who knows, to just think, what do I want to make? So that in itself would be a challenge. Okay, after the path. What do you do after the path there? We you just get a variable. You get okay, you get positions, points, or walking coordinates, I guess. Good. So I'm gonna use navigation. Get simple path. Let's see, what does it get? Start, end, and optimize. What's optimize do? Does it smoothen it? I don't know. Let's use true by default now. And once I have those, I'm gonna convert it to a regular array, because apparently in the example here there's a comment, which is amazing in itself. A comment in demos! Hallelujah! Vector to array is too complex to use. Convert to regular array. Let's take a look at vector to array. I haven't used it. I don't think I've used this in particular. I used to use normal arrays. Let's see here. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. Cool. There are arrays to hold specifically vector 2s. That's really cool. Hmm. There's a lot in Godot I haven't even touched, which is... I like it. Let's see. The opportunities are endless. Okay, let's set the path here. So we have our path, which is not made apparently. So let's do that. Okay, so we have our nodes. We have pathfinding bars, I guess. So I'll add it here then. Path array, I believe. Or actually, no. It's like so. Let's see. Did I miss some text here? Oh, jeez. Gotta read. We're working alone. Okay. How many compos have you done? 0! This is my first LudumDare jam. I've never ever participated, but I have heard of it before. This is the first time I actually have the time to do so, and I guess you can call it experience. I feel comfortable enough to, you know, dive into it. That being said, I might not get anything, you know, done. You never know. But the goal is to make something, so we'll see. Let's see. Can you enter both the compo and jam? You mean like the same product? I mean, I don't think so. But what I meant when my goal is to go for the combo, but by 48 hours, well, 44 hours or so, I'll learn whether or not I will be ready. And if I find that I won't be ready by then, I will just aim for the jam. So I will only submit it to the jam. I will not submit anything to the combo. Cross-scripting. Yeah. I know what I mean. I jumped into Unity on my first jam. I spent a lot of time trying to figure things out. I didn't really know much. But it was a good learning experience, definitely. Doing jams is a tremendous learning experience. Okay, let's see here. Position, get to the path. Path will be equal to the array? Yeah, array. Walking. Coordinates. What else? Invert. Okay, so we have to invert it. Why? Why would it by default be set in the right order? Okay. I guess I inverted them. Okay, so enable processing. Yeah, enable processing here. Let's see what you made here. Oh. Nice art. Crops, 0 out of 5. Is that the rating you got? Burn. I was kidding. Okay, so this is the game. Crops, 0 out of 5. This is like a farming simulator, kind of. You're very impressed if you win. Is that because of balancing? Because the game I made was you could never beat it. It's impossible to beat. So I relate to this. The music playing was kind of low. Also notice if you get 5 out of 5 club, you haven't won. You just have enough for buying a new plot. Walk left and right arrow key. Let's try the web version. Okay. Apparently the web version no longer is available. They're all using Google Drive. Meteors. There are meteors here. Well, okay. Is that a spaceship or a tree with a window? Okay, cool. What did you use? Unity? Unity. Okay. Well, it's pretty good. I mean, for is this one of the early first jams you ever done? Because I have seen worse. I've seen much worse. Not saying that yours is bad. Political correctness. Set. And again, I can relate. I haven't made horrible. I mean, I haven't made great games myself. I'll just stop talking about that now. Processing. 1 out of 10. Theme. Spaceship. So the theme is spaceship. Here's an idea. So if, for example, you get now a theme like a forest, like the theme is forest. I know it's not even there in the list. But so if I have a game with a theme forest now, I'll just create a picture of a forest and hang it on the wall somewhere. And then I'll make something completely different. See, it's forest themes. Yeah. Okay, processing true. Let's see here. What happens when I... Okay, this is the part I need to analyze here. To see what's going on here. I'm just gonna copy paste it in here. Let's see what's going on here. I wrote in capital letters and all the other functions, so I might as well keep it so. Okay, function process delta. The path size. So if we have a path after clicking somewhere and it's greater than 1, so not 0, we're gonna also space it to make it more readable. 2 walk. Delta times speed. Okay, so this is how far we walk, or the step. So I'm gonna rename this to make it more readable. Walk step, movement, step, I guess. And this is just so I can read it easier. Step per process run. Actually, I'm gonna change from process to fixed process, because that makes everything much more predictable. 60 FPS if possible, or up to 60 FPS. Fixed process. Was it a 3D game, by the way? The game. I didn't even look what the name was. Crop farm for space. Space farming. So what's happening here? Per tick, actually, that's the word. Per tick. The movement step distance. Movement step per tick. Okay. So while our movement step is greater than 0, so while the distance is greater than 0, and no, I refuse to write and like the text. Path size is greater than or equal to 2. Why 2? Why 2 here? Here's 1, and while it's greater than 2 or equal to 2. Oh, okay, I see. Why would you write it like that? Just like that. Like, keep it consistent, damn it. Okay, so from point from, I assume it's a point, to path, and path size. So I'm getting the last point. Why are we doing this in this order? That's the thing I don't get about this example now. Why, I mean, we had to reverse it. We are now counting down. All this I can change anyway later, once I understand it probably. Okay, so well, step. Oh yeah, speaking of the first entry of a game jam, let's see if I can find the one on Game Jolt. If I can find it. Search. What did I call it? Chicken something. Chick. Ah, there we go. Let's see, and the other one. What's the other one? Castle. Baloney. Beard. Baloney. Ah, here we go. Okay, here's a little thing. Let's take a look here. Let's take a look at the differences between the game jams. So the first game jam I ever did, I believe, is this one, and that was during the Indies versus Gamers event, I guess, hosted by Markiplier or something. Markiplier, I think, PewDiePie, and Jacksepticeye. That's the word. That's the name. I knew them. I just couldn't think of it. Ah, here we go. Jack and PewDiePie. Okay. So let's take a look at the differences, just for fun. Let's look at the differences between the games there. Oof. Yeah, I'm upset, right? Gotta load. It's gonna take a while. Take a break. This is WebGL, and this is made in Unity. Come on. Hello. Box 2D. Box 2D? I feel like I missed something. Play the game already. Ah, Unity web build. Oh, okay. Wait, what? This is the WebGL version of Unity. Okay, that's the one I want to try. It should work. Hopefully. I'm gonna leave it on the side while I work. Sorry. And if it ever loads, I'll take it. I'll bring it back. Okay, let's see. What's happening? Point from path. The from. So the why are we reverse? Why are we inverting this? We don't need to do that, do we? Are we're reducing step minus equal d. I gotta process this. So we're using this one, isn't it? This is just to check if we have a path. Take care, Caruffle, and enjoy the Godot meeting. Nodes. Well, you better hurry then, if you had forgotten that it's today and... Hopefully you have packed beforehand. Let's see. I'm just trying to understand this now. That's why I'm staring at this, because I'm trying to process this too. I mean, I see what's happening. I'm getting the last position, path point. Here I'm getting the second last. So getting the point before the last point. So you know. So are we then discarding the last one? Yeah, we're taking away the last one. That's why we're doing it. Because whoever made this demo just thinks better this way. I understand. We all think differently. You can host your project and Game Jolt, itch.io. There are many places really. You can even put it on Google Drive if you want to. But I would recommend Game Jolt or itch.io. It depends what you want. Okay, apparently this isn't loading. This refused to load. So I'm gonna see if I can open Firefox, because usually... No, screw you. I'm not connected to anything. Let's see. Oh wait, I think I know why it didn't work, because I have to enable WebGL manually on Chrome, I think. Maybe. Let's see here. Play. Huh, weird. that's true, you can host on Git directly if you just include your executable binaries there. That's true. I mean, if you want other people to play them and not having to compile the game before playing it. Yeah, I understand that. That's actually a good idea. Let's see. Enable WebGL Chrome. Let's see how I do that. Let's see. I get the distance between these 2 points. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Copy this. Chrome shortcut. It's just I'm multitasking. It's hard to focus on that one. Properties. Where is it? Tools. How old is this? 2011. No wonder it doesn't work. 2017. Having this. There we go. Let's see. Enable WebG on Chrome. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, what's the there, that's the one I look for. That's the one, flags. I want this. I'm gonna take that to the side there. Scroll to disable WebGL. Enable. I don't know what that does, but draft extension. WebGL 2.0. Yay! Enable. Do it. So hopefully now it should work. Let's see. Someone should create a Discord channel for this. For what? The stream? I mean, there's not really any point. I mean, I don't know. I mean, what would that accomplish? I don't know. Let's see here. Come on, run! Please? Wait. Let's turn off this. Let's turn off ad block. Maybe that's why it doesn't like it. There we go. Prepare ads! Let's watch this ad. Ooh, Lego. Elves. Let's watch the entire ad. Oh my god. Is this a 4-minute long ad? Are you kidding? Of course I'm gonna skip the ad. You think I'm gonna watch a 4-minute long ad? I don't think so. I mean, you know, kudos for trying, I guess. Let's see if this runs now. Oh yeah, for the jam, of course, that makes more sense. Don't they have a jam? I mean, Discord channel, or what do you call it, guild? Discord guild. Or IRC, afternet.org channel there. Yeah, they should definitely get Discord because it's killing every other communication platform now. Come on. Okay, apparently it doesn't work. I don't actually no, it's supposed to work. It just takes a long time to load if I remember correctly here. Let's try it one more time. Let's try it one more time. I'm just gonna let it sit on the side there and we'll see if anything happens. If oh shit. Close something. Okay, so I'm getting the fast and then compare the difference, get distance between the 2 points. If the distance is less or equal to this movement step, we want to remove the last one. To remove the last point. Because that means we have moved there. We have achieved our goal. So basically, actually, can I visualize this? That would be nice. I gotta do that. Let me think. Here, this is where I need to do it. Draw point. Woohoo! It works! Yeah, let's see. The rock music you hear in the background is, well, rock. I don't know what it is. Okay, hold on. There we go. Look at this! This is the first game jam game I ever done. I believe this was a weekend, 2 days, 48 hours? Or actually, it might be 2 days. I don't remember. But this is the first game, so let's see what this is. This is the game. This is made in Unity, by the way. Oh yeah, you see that fancy jumping animation? I made that. I was thinking like kind of like inspiration from Matrix. Like, I wanted to make like slow motion skill thing too, but yeah, I didn't really know much about Unity, and this is the first jam I've ever done. I will only get maybe 20, 30 before I die. We'll see how far I get. Ah, shit. Because this is very imbalanced. This is very imbalanced. I'm gonna stand here. Ah, yeah, that's the one. It's glitchy here. It's just gonna stand up. It's just gonna stand up there. So as long as I stand in this corner, I'll be safe from above, but not here. Because they're gonna exponentially increase. So it's gonna, well, almost. Take care, Pixel1. Nice having you here, by the way. Okay, 43. You can see the bodies are piling on top of each other here. I should probably increase it a little bit more to make it more, I don't know, serious. Like, this was originally going to be I guess kind of a Metroid-like game. And the story was going to be something along the lines of your chicken girlfriend was kidnapped or something, or has been taken by aliens from space, and you'll have to enter the spaceship, and in there, imagine like if you have seen Doctor Who, imagine the TARDIS. It's bigger on the inside, basically, and there will be multiple layers where he can go and get various upgrades. But of course, well, I died. 81 kills. I think that's a new record. Do you wish to log in order to add the high score? No, I don't. This is using the Game Jolt API. So I don't know if this is working. Yeah, it is. I got the high score. Of course I got the high score by 1 kill. Oh my god, a lot of people have played this since last time. Yeah, Doctor Who. That's right. That was the original story I wanted to make, but alas, I discovered that I didn't know enough to actually do anything. So this is the first game jam ever. And then there's the second one, if I can turn it off. You have Castle Balloony Beard, and I got help with the artwork from the old DM is the nickname. And it's basically a game inspired from Ship's Adventure. And the first 3 levels are basically a clone of those levels. It's just to get the... When I was working on it, it was just to get it going. So basically I wouldn't have to spend time on level design early on. So let's see if I can get that working here. Let's see, download. 7 megabytes. Let's see. More by my developer. This developer, I mean. My developer. I have a developer. Let's see. Let us take a look and see at this one. Doctor Who. Oh yeah! The story of the chicken thing. I wanted to make something akin of Metroid. Like you have a stage, you go up and down. And then you have to enter an area and it'll kind of switch. But I don't know, I never got to it, basically. I had sketches and such prepared. But I never got that. It was my first game, man. Obviously in 48 hours it's way too much, too much. So I only got stuck after creating the shooting mechanic. And this is the game, by the way. This is my second game jam, which is Game Boy Jam 5. Let's see, let's make it big. I don't remember the keys there. There's no sound on the intro before I press start. Oop. Okay, I can't change in a level. Yeah, that sounds good. Let's try it. Now, this is not Unity. This is Godot engine. Godot. Godot. Let's see here. Is it all level 2 good? Let me increase it a little bit, so you can actually hear it. Okay, now it should be much louder. So let's try it out. Okay, I gotta get the ham. I need the ham to make my sandwich. That's the point. And no, it's not Italian. I don't think so, at least. Let's see. I have the symbol for this spade, I believe. Heart. Let's see where the other keys up here. Get that one diamond. Let's get another one diamond. Yeah. So basically, the first 3 levels are just directly from Chip's Adventure, just remade. Let's get all of them now. And this is the second game jam. So it's definitely about a year different things since the last time I did it. Level 2. Fight! I don't know, it felt right. Okay, so now we have boxes we can push around. Boop, boop. We have to push them in the water, otherwise you drown. Die. Just die. Just die. You're allergic against water. In fact, it's not water, it's green, so it's obviously poison. So let's just get in there. Let's get that one in there, and let's get the bologna. We need the bologna, because the quest is to get all the bologna to make a sandwich. That's the entire game. Let's see, yeah, there it is. It's green. And there's evil teddy bears that try to get you. For some reason. Ah yes, third level. Also Chip's Adventure level. Okay, so what do I need? Oh no, I can't get that one, because it's slippery. It won't allow me to move. What's this? Rubber feet? What if I... can I go in here? Ooh, I can. And now I have skates! So if I can go here now? Yeah, I can. And that looks like a... I don't know what it looks like. What is it? I can't go here, so maybe here? Ooh, I can walk on fire now! That's obviously what it is. It allows you to walk on fire. And now I have what? Spike boots. So now I can walk here. Yeah, and that was the game jam game I made for GB Jam 5. That's pretty much it. And now the levels turns difficult. This is the best and most difficult level, but I'm not gonna do that. If you want to try it out, you can just go on Game Jolt or even Itch.io. I believe it's there as well. Okay, let's go back to our work here, our little project, which is Godot. Godot! Where are you? There you are. Let's see, what were I doing? Okay, I want to draw the points. I'm just doing some debugging here. Actually, I guess everything is debugging now, because I'm just testing everything. So, for each point in the array, I want to draw it. But I want to do it after updating it, so I want to draw if... I'm gonna make it a constant. Debug is true. Then I'm going to draw points. And this is a constant I'm going to make on the top here. So let's do it here. Debug const debug equals by default. Well, I'm gonna set it to true now because I'm gonna debug. There we go. So we have debug on true here. So when you create a release build, you of course have to change it to false, or rather, I have to change it to false. So how will we draw the point? Well, I'm just gonna make a. Don't we have a point or something? Pin. What's this? No, not pin joint. I need a little image, a little drawing. I need to draw. That's what I need to do. I need to draw. Let's see if I remember how, because it's been a while since I did that. Draw method. I need to run this somehow. Let's see. No 2D. Canvas. No 2D. Update. Okay, I need to update. So after drawing, I need to update. So update. How will I do this? I don't remember. Yeah. Oh, okay. There will not be any draw points. It will just be func draw, I believe. Whew, it's getting warm here. Give me a second. I gotta open the window. time is it? Okay. I'll do about an hour more, I think. Okay, let's turn on the music again, so we have some noise in the background. Let me turn down the music volume. Back to the what it was. About there. There, okay. Let's draw. Let's see, draw a circle or circle? Circle, there you go. So I need the position of the circle, and that will be received by iterating this. So for each point in path, or I guess position. What else? Draw circle. Radius color, okay. Radius, let's try it 5.0 for now. Color red. So is this valid? I honestly don't remember. Yeah, no, this is not valid. Color, no. Oh wait, here we go. Okay, let's do that. There, that should work. Let's try that.
Run free and dive into the sky.
Wait. So everything's set there. Yeah, that one's gonna crash everything. Excuse me? Sudden sneeze. Where am I moving? Where am I doing the movement here? Path remove, move step. Oh, okay, I need to use it, of course. Let's see. If you're new here, I'm following an example for a pathfinding in Godot engine. I have not done it myself, so I would like to familiarize myself with it before the LudumDare event. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, where are you moving? Where is the movement happening here? Oh, the line I removed. Of course. There we go. There it is. I found it. Let's get MC. MC, set position. Okay, so that now it should work. After replacing this with fixed. Here and there. Where else? It looks fine, I think. So when I start now, in theory it should go from there to there. However, I haven't actually made any. I haven't made the navigation polygon, so I don't know what's gonna happen now. I'm just gonna see what happens. Select main scene. Try again. Let's see what happens. Okay. Null instance. Okay, start is ready. NPC. Oh, I see. Okay. NPC. Navigation 2D. Now it should work. This is the shard of that. Let's try it again. It's not doing anything. I'll see why. After path, that happens immediately. Let's enable process before I can see it. No, it had to be after. This is not gonna. Let's turn that off first. Or they're false for now. Is this doing anything? Yeah, it's not even running. Okay, why is that? Let's see. Did I not enable this, or did I forget? Yeah, it should be true here. So why does it not? Add size. Does this happen? This should happen. Start end. It's set there. Okay. Setting path, which is done here. We're setting a path. Okay, let's print path here. see what happened here. Okay, it's empty. Why? Because I don't have a negation polygon instance, perhaps. I don't know, but maybe. Let's see. How does this work? Oh, okay. So how does it work? How does this work? I don't know. Is this solid or is it the opposite of solid? Let's see. Okay, so it's not solid. This is the path. So inside here I can move. So let's move it there for now. It's gonna crash into that. Actually, I don't have a collision box in the FC yet. So it's gonna go right there to there. If everything works. And the points work too. It's only 2 points because there's no obstacles. Sweet. I love it when things fall into place. The best part of coding is making it work. Let's see here. Okay. Obstacles. Okay. Can I add holes in here? It's gonna be a nightmare to create these obstacles. What happens now? It works! Oh, I love you, Godot. Godot. Okay, I'm gonna do it roughly, actually. Let me enable snap, show grid. Here we go. Make it a little bigger. A little bigger than it really is. Do the same here. Godot ceases to amaze me. Ceases. Keeps amazing me. Ceases. Not. You know what I mean. Let's see here. Okay. Yeah, okay, stop. Uh-oh. Did I break it though? There's a loading error here now. I think I broke it. I did delete. There we go. Right click. Delete. Ah, here we go. Okay, this is very rough, and probably wouldn't touch this. Actually, let me do that just in case. Let's see what happens. I don't think I have to worry about the top one. So let's see what happens now. Ooh, it works! Success. That's cool. So now you can see the pathfinding before it actually happens, which is really cool. So I can keep doing that. So every time, this is just a debugging thing. Every time it does change path. So can I make something more complicated? I wish there was an easy way to make the this, you know. Let's see. How will I do this? What if I add a collision box to this? What would happen? I mean, yeah, let's see what happens. Collision shape. Let's use collision 2D. In here, I'm gonna begin that to collision. Let's add a circle shape. Yeah, circle shape. Not circle shape. Capsule shape. There we go. But is it wrong? There we go. Oh. Oh yes, because of snapping it. Turn off that. There we go. What? Okay, I have to rotate this apparently. Oh, let's do that. Manually type in negative 90 degrees there. Let's fix that a little bit. A little thinner. A little bigger. It's roughly like that. Should be fine. Let's see what happens. Cause I think I'm gonna get stuck there. No? Are you ignoring it? Are you Let's make it bigger. Let's make it crazy here, just to see. Oh, are you kidding me? There's an option here to really? Really? Well, okie dokie. Well, but I'm using set positions, because then that will forcefully set the position. So I'm gonna see if I can use a move instead of set position. So I will be moving the distance. So hopefully that should be correct. But this is the position. I don't want the position. So I'm gonna have to do something completely different. But now I know kind of how to set together a navigation for using navigation 2D here. So how will I do this? Let's see here. I don't like naming. At pause. What does that mean? Like at pause. At position. Okay, that makes more sense. I'm very picky about naming and commenting, as you can see here. A lot of people are not. Some people don't have any comments. And you know, I'm not... Yeah, I am definitely criticizing them for not commenting. Never mind, I'm criticizing you for not commenting if you don't comment. Definitely. But you do you. No, wait, wait. Wait, what? Hold on. Doing. Okay, doing. Stop. What happened in between here? What's going on? I'm definitely having trouble. This is Godot. This is Godot engine, and Godot engine is using a very simple Python similar language. It's similar to Python, but it's not Python. It's a very straightforward scripting language, specifically for this engine, which is why this works very well with this engine. Godot script, GD script. With that, with this. This seems like a difficult way of doing this. I think there are better ways of doing this. Cleaner ways. I mean, why not just iterate through each point after getting it? And why do you have to bother removing it and re-adding the last point and doing all this? You know? I'm gonna print this and see what happens. Yeah, this is just a position. I want... Okay, so wait. Difference, distance. So I'm gonna replace this, I think. Well, somewhat. I'm gonna copy this. So I have it, in case I screw up. Which is a very likely scenario. So, I have this. Just rewriting this here. Let's check if we have a path first. So path size is greater than 1. Let me do something. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, I think we're gonna do a live stream for 30 more minutes, and I'm gonna end it for a little while. And I'll probably continue later. If not, well, tomorrow morning. Depends what I get done. Okay. So, if we have a path, if we have set the path size, so we want to make sure to remove the entire path, or remove all the points. So if we have a path, we want to get the movement step, the distance we want to move per tick. So we can reuse this, but not that. There we go. While movement step is greater than 0. So while we have... But that's never ever going to be 0. And even if it were... What would happen if it were 0? Just for the shit. What would happen? assuming this is gone, of course. Okay, if d is less or equal than 0, well, it's probably not gonna happen, is it? No. Okay, anyway, just come here. I got the distance, the change in direction. I got that. And the reason I'm going to rewrite this is because we are literally setting the position when we get the path. And I do not want to move in that manner. I want to use move, because if we do collide, if for example a player were to for some reason get in the way, we want it to bounce into it. Or if it gets hit by a rock or something, I don't know. You know, I'm just thinking a bit long term here. But of course, depends what kind of game I'm gonna make. If I'm not gonna have any sort of collisions, I might as well do it this way, just to get it quickly done. And it's quite possible that's the way I will do it. I will just use a similar code like this and make it create paths that way. And then use a trigger to check whether or not I have, for example, hit the player if that's a goal. Maybe it's supposed to, you know, haunt the player, like Pac-Man or something. So I don't know, but I'm gonna experiment for now. Okay, stream health is good. Good. Let's see here. Why do we have to do this twice? Oh, okay, so we get out of it, okay. We can just break it if we have to. We can just break out of this. Oh, I guess it doesn't really matter, I guess. Okay, that's the last point. Because we are inverting in here. We are inverting this. So we can take away from it. But why don't you just hold from point to point, and then when you reach the end, just jump out and break. Let's try that. Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and that is correct. Wait, what? What's going on? Ah, okay, because I'm not moving it now. Yeah, I removed the functionality. But now, oh yeah, you can see this. Sorry. But now you can see the points. Actually, I'm gonna draw lines between them just to make it more visual. Debug. There. Let's see. Draw a line and a dot. I'm gonna do that first, actually. Even though I don't need it because we have debugging. Apparently, this did the same that I did. Okay, let's draw a line. Get the position. This. Wait. Can I use it in 4? That would be difficult, wouldn't it? That would be difficult. Okay, let's redo this. Line range 0 to path. Get size -1. Maybe. I'm gonna try that. I think that would be right. No, would that be right? Yeah, it's 0. Yeah, it would be right. Let's do a circle. Using first the point, the path of that first one. This will be our test, basically. So let me just test it out here. So, it still works. Except the first one and the last one, or rather, the first one might work, but the last one did not. So this is actually wrong. So this will be correct. Yeah, because we are going up, but not included too. So this never happens. It stops when I is path size. So okay. So let's draw a line. Now we can draw lines, because now we have the power. So we have our first point. That will be, well, it's gonna just simply be path of the eye. But then I need to get the next. So if the path size is not greater, so if it's less than the I plus 1, because otherwise you're gonna get an array out of bounds. Error. Exception error. Okay, so RP2. Instead of null, each run. So P2 then is equal to path I plus 1. Yeah, that should be right. So, but yeah, this is right, and then we set it, then we draw a line, so draw line, which from P1, P2, color we, let's make it red, green. Can you please stop me? Okay, I know what to do. Let me fix that. I'm gonna close that, and you're gone. I suspect not many people are going to use Godot engine. Well, except a few that told me about it. They might. I think they're gonna participate.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history.
Where is the? Oh, there you are. Hey, Leo, come here.
Love flows, there is also tragedy. When we're in too deep. And you and I, we got history. Go look in the mirror, say, hey, I'm sorry for
What was the last one? The width of the line. Okay, let's do it. Two. A bit thick, I guess. Actually, one should be enough. Yeah. So, on the last one, we'll get this one. This will be the last point. In which case, we don't need to do anything because we already drawn to it. So this should work. Okay, well, I guess not. Let's see, why? Is it too small, or is it just not happening? I'm a dumbass! See what I did here? You see what I did here? Is the size of the path less than I plus 1? It's supposed to be the other way around. There we go. Yes, it works. Now we have a nice pathfinding system going on. All we have to do to update the path, well, is run update after we have changed the path. So if something were to change, this will also update and it will replace the old one. I believe. Would it? Should replace the old. It shouldn't add on top. I don't know, I could be wrong. Actually, let's see here. Clear? No. Should be a canvas item, I think. Yeah, draw line, draw, etc, etc. Hide, visible, show, update, hidden. Is there a clear or clean? No. Okay, I guess I don't have to worry about that. I guess it automatically cleans when I run draw. I mean, update. That yeah, this redraws it. Okay, good. It's right. It's good. It's good. So draw lines and dots to indicate navigation. Okay, cool. But now it's back to we're getting the NPC to move. Move step. I need to get the direction of moving with that step because we're going to use move, and move is relative. So using vector 2. So if our current position is 0, 0, and I want it to move this amount to a certain direction, I would have to get the direction to the next point. Let me see. Get direction to the next point. I have to probably do more in between, but I'll handle it as it pops up into mine here. Get direction. Get vector to direction to the next point. I just need to get the angle. It doesn't matter. The distance is not important right now. Yet it will be, because that's how I check when I will go for the next point, which is down here, I believe. Yeah, here. So if the distance is less than or equal to the movement set, means we have reached the point and we will jump to the next point. So I mean, in theory, I understand this. It's just the way the individual that made this is thinking a bit different than I am thinking, I guess. But that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. I just need to adjust it to my own brain. My own brain works differently than your brain, and that guy's brain. Everyone's brain is different, I guess. think about it. Life experiences. No. Vector. Let's see. Using a vial here. I guess I'll... You know what? Actually, let's see here. Let's see here. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna take a bio break. So I will be back in about 5 minutes. So you know, don't go anywhere. You know, love you. Xu. Be back. Leaving now.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out. No, was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. I'm in the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings the fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever. I wanna remember. Oh, we run every endeavor. I wanna
I'm crawling around, searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me, my enemies. I've tried every possibility, ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly, I can fly, I can fly, I can fly.
Okay, I'm back. Hope I didn't scare anyone away. Let's see, where were we? Yes, pathfinding. Let's do that. Okay, we have our movement speed. We have direction. We need to get the next. We need to get the direction of the next position relative where we are. So we have our own position. So let's get P from will be the player's current position. So that will be NPC get position. Now here's the thing. If I remember now, was that? Wait, let me think. No, this is red. The front position is the NPC's local position. I think. Yes, it is. This is right, because it's a child of navigation 2D, so this will always be right. So let's see here. We need to get the next position. P2? That works. Let's see, I think I code there. Here we go. So I need to get the next one. But I'm not gonna invert this. I'm gonna take away invert. Yeah, I did. Good. Because we're gonna start from the beginning. We're gonna make it easy. We're not gonna invert. We're not gonna twist and turn the code. We're gonna simplify it as much as possible. So our next position will be the first path position. So that will be path 0, or rather, I'll have to make a tick or a way to find it. Now I'm just prototyping right now. I'm just prototyping. Or would it be the second one? Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna comment this out for actually, yeah, this one I'm gonna comment out. Let's take a look a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the first one, I'm gonna ignore the first one basically. That's where I am. Right? Let's see here. Debugger, remote inspector. NPC. I'm gonna turn off the NPC. Does that even work here? Can I do that in? I can! Yay! Good. Okay. So the first one I'm not going to do anything with because that's where I am. So obviously we ignore that one. That means we're gonna get the next one. So from the position I am right now to the next one. I'm just thinking now. This is not the result. Just thinking. We did lol. I did lol. Yeah, I've lol a lot. Wait a moment. I think that means penis in one language. Polish? I don't know. I just recall someone mentioning it to me because I used to write lol with L-U-L, and someone mentioned it. That means penis in some language. I don't know. Okay. Of course, I'm gonna have to increase this as we go along, so it'll be like the next one. So for now, let's just current or next one for now. No, that wouldn't work. That wouldn't work. Next index. Actually, index. Let's use that. But we're starting from 1. Yeah, that worked. Okay, so gonna. Yeah. Is the camera crooked? I feel like it's a bit. Can be a little more like this. That didn't do anything. How about this? No, that didn't. Okay, go back to your corner. Go back to your corner, me. If I sit like this, it will be normal. No. I'll fix it there. Okay. Okay, that's the goal. Getting the position, direction to next point. This is just the position to the next one. So, how will I do that? Well, let's get the direction. Vector. Pythagoras. 2 points. Would that be... Wait a moment. I think there is a vector 2 function for this. Angle 2. Maybe? How was it? I don't remember. How did I do it? I think... I have a project. I did something similar, so I'm gonna open that project. Oh, jeez. Let's see here. If I can open the project, if I can find it. Okay, no, that's the example. Let me just open a new one here. So now I have 3 instances of Godot I've been running here. Here? No. Yes, actually, it might be here. The good thing about coding a lot and making games is that you can use your old games as reference to problems you already solved in the past, because usually most people don't go around with all knowledge in your head like, that's how I did it, or that's how I did it. It's more like, how did I do that? And then you go through the thought process all over again and recall that, oh, I've done this before, but what did I do before? Did I do that? Did I do this? I don't know. So I'm looking for rotation now. Character. Actually, let me take a look here. Is this is right, right? Yeah, it's right. How did I? I don't. Yeah, I need to enable keyboard. I haven't done it yet. Let's see. Rotation, direction. That's what I want. I want the direction to the next part. This is forward, but this is rotation. So I can use the rotation then, I guess. Let's see here. It wouldn't be rotation. Well, it would be angle, I guess. That would be some sort of rotation. Let's see here. I gotta draw. I gotta draw some math here, because trying to think it with 1000 by 1000, I guess. That should be enough. Okay, let's get my pen and paper here. Well, oh jeez. Here we go. For reasons like this, it's a good thing to have a tablet, even if you're not an artist, and I'm not an artist. Definitely not. Just give me a yeah, that works. It's thinner. Okay. We have our start point. Our start. We have our end point. Our end. So our own direction is I believe it's actually upwards and not toward the right. So if I were to rotate negative 90, I would go this way or the other way. Actually, I gotta find that out before I do anything else. Let's see. Our sprite. Is our sprite rotated? Is everything rotated right now? No, not that one. Sprite is not rotated. Okay, so 0 is... Let's try 90. 90 is left. So positive... So we start from... Oh, actually, that wouldn't tell me anything, would it? That wouldn't tell me where we start from. It just tells me we rotate that much. Okay, let's just try that for now. How did I do it? So what do we have? We have start position. So I know this is gonna be 0, 0 at all times. So if this is, for example, 10, 10. That's not even 10. Let's make it easier. It's 1, 1, 2. I know it's not 1, 2, but it's just to have a number here. This is points. 2 points. We have the start, we have the end. Actually, I should probably draw something more accurate. So, actually, let's reverse that. 2 and 1. Reverse. Jeez, that's horrible. Go down. Go down. Get up. Yeah, there you go. Okay, turn off fast mode. I'll turn on rather. Work, damn it, work. Okay. So let's draw on top here. Yeah. Did I break? Oh, it's white. Erase that. Let's make a new one. There we go. What time? It's Friday. Okay, good. Okay. X and 2. Yeah, that would be more believable than the other way around. It's ah shit. I'm redoing this. I'm redoing this. Redoing it. Yeah, that works fine. Whatever. I'll use white text. Okay, we have a start point. This is a point. Start. Let's say 0, 0. Actually, no. 1, 1. That's the point for this. This is the start point. And then we want to get to, let's see, 1, 2, 1. Although I believe it's always going to be relative, always, like relative to where you are. So this will be 0, 0. I think. Anyway, this will be 2, 3x. So we have 3, and then 2. Where we have x and y. So x is in this direction. That direction, and y is upwards. I know. Okay. Let's see here. So distance from x to that. Differences is between differences. Isn't it? Isn't. No, this is length. I don't want length. What am I looking for again? I forgot. Let's see. What am I doing? I want the direction. I want the angle then, I guess. In which case, I can just get the angle. What am I doing? So using from, I think. Let's see, vector 2, vector 2. Where's the? Hey. Oh, there you are. I was missing something here. Angle 2. Angle 2. Angle to point. What's the difference? Radiant between vectors. There's an angle and radiant between two lines. Between the line connecting the points. I'll try both and we'll see what works. Okay, let's print. This is angle and radian. So radian angle 1 testing 1. Let's get the first one. So we had the from angle 2. I think it's point, but I'm gonna try first this one. Excuse me. What am I missing here? I'm missing one of these there. There we go. Let's try it again. There we go. Okay, well, the angle of course is not gonna change, so let's get both the angles first, just to compare them. This will be the Alt 2, Alternative 1. So angle 2 point. I just want to see what it is, because just by reading it's a bit positive is this way. So I believe the first one is the correct one, because the other one is going negative direction. I think. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Even though I've done this before, I just... Okay. Calculate this in... convert to a normal direction. And that's when I'm gonna use the previous line of code I made here. Which is get direction. Because all we need to get direction is the rotation. So if this is the rotation or angle... Hold on. This is radian, right? I'm gonna print rotation just to see what I get here. 'Cause it should be radian. Oh. Let's see. Get rot. There we go. It returns a float. Yeah, it should be the same. Unless, yeah, it should be the same. Because the angle in the editor is now degrees. So let's see here. Get forward. Insert angle. Actually, radian. There. Turn it. Okay, let's try it. Print the direction. So we'll kind of eyeball it, and if this is correct or not. At least for now. Let's try it out. Of course we didn't find radian, because I need to actually create it, so let's do that. I'll copy that. I'm gonna cut that. Var radian equals. Then here and there. Now it should work. Let's see. Negative. X. No, that's not right at all. Definitely not right. That's not right. Let's try point 2. Angle to point, rather. Maybe it's worked the other way. I don't know. It's weird. Okay, that looks more right. Because we go X. It's a normal, of course. Okay, so X. So you go towards the right-ish. And then up. Yeah, I think we got it. I think this is now the correct direction. Of course, we have to multiply the direction with the speed to get the distance we want to move each stick. So now we are definitely a step in the right direction. All the puns. All the puns. I'm gonna get blocked from Twitch soon. Yeah, that's what we did now. We converted it to normal direction. And normal is basically, it's more or less just a vector. In this case, a vector 2 values between 0 and 1. It's just to get to the minimal amount of values required to get a direction, the correct direction. Because if you think of it, 360, yeah. Anyway, or was it the sum of 1? I don't know. I could be wrong. Let me know if I'm wrong, because I welcome getting re-educated. Re-educated, yeah.
When the night is over,
Still
my
going.
life is over.
Let's see here.
I start thinking
Paste. Convert no direction. Okay, so that's done here. And this updates. So every time we run this here, every time we get a new position, we get that position, or rather the NPC position. Then we get the index. So when will we increment? Currently, it's gonna set itself to 1 every time the entire thing runs. But the way I understand it here, we run this once, like in a while loop inside here. So it's kind of stuck inside there. So I don't know. It's a bit weird. Let's see. From 2. Okay. We get the distance between the points. Okay. Just to check. Yeah. I need to do that. I need to find out whether if I have arrived to the point. So I'm not gonna change this at all until we have arrived to the point. So we want this to loop. Well, not movement speed. Movement speed is going to be the same. It's just a speed. It's just a value that we're gonna add on the direction. So what we have to loop through is this. This is what we have to loop through. Yeah, we have to loop through this, because otherwise, if something were to happen, let's say, I don't know how that works actually. I was thinking if, for example, player were to go in the way, I don't think it's gonna readjust itself. I don't think that's how it works, but I don't know. That's what I'm experimenting. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm experimenting right now. Because I'm thinking if I'm gonna create a decent, game jam game alone in 48 hours, having this ability to just add AI enemies, following a path and such would probably give me a step up. Then again, I might not use anything like this, so you never know. Let's see here. I can remove this now because this works. And if it stops working, I'll add this, I guess. Probably won't have to. Ah, here we go. Okay, so we set movement step to 0 when... Okay, I guess that works. So inside here, while our movement... I need to create that, don't I? Yeah, I need to create this step. Unless it's here somewhere. It's there. Okay, let's put that outside. On top, rather. Let's see here. While our movement step is greater than 0, we ought to do all of this, I believe. Do I need this anymore? Am I done with this? I'm done with this. Yeah, I'm done with this for now. I can always go back to it if I have to. So I can remove this now, I don't need this. Even though I made it easy for me. Let's see here. So actually I might be, yeah, our index is right there. So as long as you have path size, get the last point, get the next point, get the distance. And this is used to check if we have arrived. That's the reason for this. Copy that. Let's see. Distance. Let's not shorten it too much, because D is bad variable names in any context. Even dir is better, but maybe not, because it might be confusing with directory. So direction. It's not like you're saving processing power. At least nothing significant. Yeah, let's just do that. Get this with the points. Check if we have arrived. God damn, I can't type. Bad wording, but I think it should work. So, direction. Did I say direction? I meant distance. This works. That's what I'm working on. Distance. If distance is less than what? 0? No, you probably want a little threshold. What are we using? Okay, you're using the movement step as the threshold. Okay, that works. I'll use that. I can use that. So if we within a step's range. Slacks. I was reading Discord. I have Discord up here. I have Discord. There we go. Discord. Not a channel like Godot Engine have their own Discord channel. So if you're interested in learning more about Godot, going to the Discord channel is recommended. Because it's I believe it's actually way more active than, for example, the Irk. Sound like a pirate. Or the other community. Even the forums, I believe. Let's see. Did I turn on? Okay. For a moment there, I was worried I forgot to turn on the microphone, and I was just sitting here, quiet. So go talk where? Talk? You mean Discord? No, I wasn't talking Discord. If I said talk, I meant type. Well, you can talk there too if you want to. Look a damn sight smarter than your profile pic. Look a damn. I don't know what you mean. Yeah. Let's see. I don't need this, I think. Let's see. Where am I? Distance. If our distance is. We want to go to next. Next. But why did we loop this? I mean, am I moving in here? But why would I create a while loop inside the loop? You know, that's what kind of confuses me here. Okay, I gotta analyze the code here. If remove it. Yeah. Okay, I get it. We don't have to do that. We don't have to do anything like that. There's no point doing that. I know what you want there. So instead of removing, I'm just gonna increase the index. So index plus equal 1. Did everyone have a Discord account? Discord account, Twitch account? That's I'm just wondering if they had an account before. Yeah, I assume they have. I mean, most of you guys probably have a Twitch account. I mean, I did, but I had to make this one a new one just for this event because I didn't have a personal Twitch account. I had a different Twitch account. Let's just stick with that. Different. And to next point. Yeah, just by increasing index. Easy. What else? Now, if it's not, we want to move. This is the movement or the math, the distance, I guess maybe. And he stores it in the path. So this one, liner interpolate. You're calculating. I believe the reason we use this is because you get a smoother movement. I could be wrong, but that's what I understand of it. And then you turn movement step to 0. And then they jump out. Okay, now I get this while. We're not actually doing any loops here. Are we? We are. Because of this. Move set if distance is less or equal. Okay. Remove the last point. Yeah. Okay. But this part. What's this part? We're reducing it by the distance. You get the difference. Okay. And then what? So next round, we're just gonna go up again. We're getting the next, so index y plus 1, index plus 1 plus here, in my case up here. You get from, you get to, okay, that's fine, that's handled. Why do you, yeah, use from here, because this is where we're setting the, I don't know, I gotta think about this. Maybe I'm overthinking this. I might be overthinking this. Okay, let's do that and see. For now. Else. You set position from using linear interpolate. 2. Let me take a look at this demo here. Did I break it? Oh wait, this is the wrong product. Here it is. This is the demo I'm working from now, because I'm trying to understand and learn this. Let's take a look here. What I don't get, where's the need for interpolate here? Let's see what happens if I turn that off here. Or rather, change it a bit. So instead of using 0.2 book divided by distance, what is this position? This is the point from, and you're setting that to this. So what would happen if I just what would happen now? What would happen? Would it break? Would it break? It would break, right? No. What? What do you mean? It's better as a member. Yeah, you're setting it. This value. This is... oh. Okay, hold on. 2. So you're setting it 2 now? What? What's that return here? Linear... is that a float value? That one. It's a vector 2, yeah. By this amount. Amount T. Yeah. I don't know if there's a LudumDare Discord. I have no idea. I just know there's one particular engine, or Unreal Engine, and pretty much anything else in the world. But I don't know about LudumDare. I should make one though if they haven't. And if they have one, I would probably join it. Let's see here. LudumDare. Yeah, it doesn't seem like they have any Discord here for some reason. Yeah, I don't think so. I don't think so. What will happen if I do this? Because this is a vector 2. Yeah, it should be vector 2. Oh. Okay. Ah, okay, wait, I'm starting to get this. By this amount. So, we are getting fractions. But then, why do we use speed? I mean, you know? Wouldn't it be just as well to just, let's try it lower, 0.1. Community weight 1. Let's see, 2016. Why is there nothing else there? No replies, no nothing. Where is this even from? Is this like a forum? Oh, okay, it's like a blog basically. Is that how it works? I haven't done LudumDare before ever in my life, so I don't even know. I mean, I don't know much LudumDare. I just have heard about it, and I figured now I might as well give it a go. Of course, if I can't find any inspiration from the theme, well, we'd probably stop then and there, but we'll see. My goal is to participate and make something. Now what that will be, I don't know. I have no idea. Let's join and let's see what we find here. Well, there are people here. There are a bunch of people here. Yeah. We have a lobby. There's not much activity going on here. Skin development. Okay, that's a bad idea. I should probably not do that. Okay, there's a lot of work going on here. I see. Oh my god. You can actually see me streaming here. Huh. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's continue. Let's close that. Let's close this. Let's try it again. Oh jeez, that's so fast. How about 00001? Now wait. That's wrong. 000. There you go. I mean, this is excessively. Okay, so apparently that doesn't do anything. Speed is relevant. Point. Yeah, points are constant, so that makes sense. So using in linear interpolate, I get a small value. So I'm gonna print these two out now, because that's something I wanted to learn more about. Because linear interpolate. Yeah, just click the link or enhance, put in the chat, and you should be able to find a Discord LudumDare channel, group, guild. So let's print this. Okay, so I know this would be the appropriate use of this. So this is where you actually set the value of where you want to move to. So this is where you're moving to, and you're doing that here. Because you're getting the value there. Why don't you? Well, I mean, I know why. I guess I was thinking, why don't you just put it directly in here? But this is more readable for doing that, so I get that's it. Definitely makes sense. Is there someone in the background? Hold on. Not that I know of. Well, it could be my little brother in a different room somewhere. Possibly. During the live stream, I'm going to be enable a button to talk, so you won't hear anything unless I'm talking, responding, because I need to focus during the live stream. And if I were to do this, I wouldn't get any work done. That being said, I will be live streaming all the time, so yeah, no, I'm not talking to anyone. I'm just talking to, you know, general, out loud. Mumbling a little bit. Let's see, I want to get this value here. Print? Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's get this value, and I want to get this value. Print. Okay, let's see what this happens. What happens? Apparently nothing. Why? Oh, that's why. Wait, what? Yeah. Oh, that's why. That's why. Let's increase that 200, I guess. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So the point. This is the point. Yeah, it's the point. That's the end value. Using linear interpolation. So what is the last one? Is that the distance moving? Maybe. No. Okay. Oh wait. Okay. It's not distance. It's coordinates. So let's see. Yeah, you see the difference between those two. Those are the interpolation. This is from x661 to 664. Okay, so I'm gonna use this then. I can loop the entire thing. But no, that's not what I want. That's not. This works because we're using set position here, there. But what I want is just the direction and the. Yeah, I cannot use this in my example. Okay, I see that now. Now I'm starting to do. Things are starting to get into place here. So if the distance, I don't need to do this, do I? I don't think I need to do this. Current position, get 2. So I need to use this to get the direction, and using the direction to add the to get a move velocity. Yeah, velocity, I guess. So that would be, in our case, the I need to get direction. So get forward. Oh, wait, where did I remove get forward here? I did, didn't I? I did. Well, I'm gonna have to get it back here. Let's see, I don't remember. It was I don't know. I don't remember. I've solved this one before. Should be enough. There it is. Yeah, I'm gonna actually close the live stream very soon. I'm going to go to bed early as well, so I can wake up for this event. If I can get this going, my goal is to get the player to move using kinematic body properly first. So when I get that working, I will probably end the live stream shortly after. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing more live stream when I begin working again. But that might probably be in morning, early morning. probably. Because I don't think I'm gonna wake up 3 AM just to get a head start. I mean, I don't know. Currently it's 17:31 or 5 p.m. 5 p.m. 5:30 p.m. Forward, together. This I need this one I need. I hope Godot will add a get forward someday. Should probably do that myself actually. Okay, angle, radian. So hopefully this should be right. If get rotation is actually a radian. No, there's a chance it's not. There's a chance. In which case the speed might be a much, maybe. We'll see. But actually movement step as well. Wait a moment here. Would this be correct then? It might not be correct, this one. For this, because this might be too slow. I think that will be too slow actually. So, delta then, and then speed. That's the same thing! Okay, maybe movement step works, let's see. Wait. Yeah, get the actual velocity. Okay, I'm gonna test. Okay, so move. Here we're gonna move. So move and then move velocity and see what happens. Because I'm sure this is going to break. I think it's gonna go wrong. It's not gonna work, etc., etc. Let's just try it. Yeah, let's see. Wait, isn't this MC? Oh no. Oh no, I should have made this inside the NPC, I guess. Okay, in that case I'm gonna use NPC. I'm gonna call it and I'll move this later into the NPC here. It should still be accurate, hopefully. Or not. Let's see, what's wrong? It won't tell me what's wrong. It's just looping forever now, probably. Inside here, yeah. Here's the... So else movement is 0. Just to make it stop and see what happens. Sorry, movement step 0. Ooh, it's kind of moving, except I don't think it's not moving towards where we want to move. Let's see, direction forward. That might this is what might be wrong. This one. No, didn't we test this? I think we tested this, didn't we? Print. Yeah. Let's see what happens now. Okay, you want to do X, right? And then negative. So it should be right, except it's not moving right. I mean, yeah. Let's increase it to 800. That didn't seem to do anything. Let's try 8,000. Okay, it's going slower. Am I dividing by this somewhere? I'm multiplying this, so it should be... Wait. Delta. Wait a moment. I'm just gonna test something here. Test something. Yeah, no. Why? I don't know what's going on anymore. I don't know what's going on anymore. Let's see. Too much. I gotta think here. What is this? What's the path? Okay, this is it populates the path basically. From this only has to run once. We can ignore draw. What? Look at what? Glacial pace? You know what? I think I'm gonna remove the while loop altogether. Oh, we'll use the fixed process as the loop itself. Because I don't quite see why we need this to begin with. Let's see here. Let's redo this a little bit. Do that, index 1. Okay, so let's take it. Okay, running. That has to be outside probably. So please press delta. Well, if we have path, okay, we have a path. Movement step per tick, the distance we want to move per tick. So I guess it would be speed times delta to get yeah, get the directions to the next point. So we have our current direction to where we are, and we're gonna get current every time we're there. So I'm getting updated position. Then I'm getting 2. Do I need from? Yeah, I need from to get the angle. But I only need this until we hit next. So until... Okay, I'm gonna create a temp here. This one? No, it's not. This project exists nowhere right now. This is just for testing. I'm experimenting with the navigation waypoints. I haven't done that before, so I figure I might as well do that before the game jam. So it's also a good opportunity to just test the live streaming a little bit and get everything ready. Thinking. I might be overcomplicating this. I think I'm overcomplicating this. Get direction. Have direction? I'm just testing. So, if I don't have a direction, well, if I don't have a direction, then I want to do this. I want to get the angle. Angle. Okay. Then I want to update the... Actually, the move velocity should be constant. So... our move velocity, by default I'll set it to 0. Because this will only have to be set once, until something changes. And here's the thing. I'm not sure how to dynamically update the pathing if something were to go in the way. But I'm not gonna worry about that just yet. First I'm gonna get this to work. Just get direction, get velocity. Okay, I'll remove that for now. This feels right. I mean this one is right. X, that much, and up. So we want to move it, move velocity. That's the amount we want to move with. So we're multiplying we're multiplying the direction with the speed, the amount we want to move. So that's correct. But I gotta remove var now. And this will only happen while we don't have directions. But now we have a direction. So have direction is now true. We have now a direction. And then we're gonna loop. So we're gonna move. We're gonna get distance with the target, and if it is, index +1, and now we have to do it all over again. So have the direction is now false here, because we reached a point, but I don't have a direction now, so false. Get the new direction. However, we cannot use index +1 if we reach the end, so we have to do a check. So if our path size is less than index +1, I think. Like, if this is bigger than this, then it wouldn't work. Yeah, I think this should be right. Maybe. I will try. I don't know. P from. What's this? Ah, I see. Yeah, no. We removed that. Did we? No. Oh, I see what's wrong. I gotta get that out. Yeah, gotta get all these variables out here. It's not optimal, but I'll improve it once I get working. Radiant. Do I need to? No, I don't think so. No, I don't. Hold on. Yeah, no, I don't need that. I might even not need this, but no, I do. Okay, let's see. Why do you go that way? I mean, of all the directions to go, you're going. Oh, I see why. I'm a dumb. You know why it's going right? You see that? You see that big collision box there? You see that long one? You know the long collision box that's underneath it. That's kind of pressing towards that collision box over there. The icon. Yeah, I think that's the reason why it didn't work to begin with. Which means what I did first might have worked. Luckily I have recording this, so if I really want to go back to the version that worked, I could do that. Wow, 3 hours? What time is it? Okay. Let's see here. So I'm gonna fix the collision a little bit there, little bit. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there's friction. I'm just gonna see if it kind of works. Ooh. Hey, come back. Okay, so this part is not working. This part is not working. This is too sensitive. I need to add a threshold, a certain leeway. I don't know how much. And this is the distance, so I guess 100 pixels, 50 pixels maybe. Which means if our distance is less, unit set plus threshold. Let's see if this changes anything. I'm gonna turn off friction on this, by the way. Let's see, friction. Oh wait, yeah, no, this is a kinematic body. I need to turn off friction on the other ones, actually, if I want to do that. Here. Or can't I set friction on... Nah, it's kinematic body, it doesn't allow that, does it? No, okay. So I'm gonna turn on friction on this and see if... I mean, off. See if that changes anything here. Can I, yeah, there we go. Let's see. Yeah, it worked good. Let's see what happens now. Yeah, it doesn't work, because I'm using kinematic. I have to actually create friction cell myself. Okay, let's make it bigger then. Within what? Within distance. Let's see. I'm just gonna see if it triggers at all. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, no. Let's see. Let's see here. Distance. P from. Oh, okay, I see why. This doesn't update. I need actually to update this all the time. Yeah, I need to update that. Well, I don't need to update P2 though. I only need to update this one, so I'm gonna take that one out. Let's see if that changes anything. Yeah, it does. Okay, good. So let us now remove that. And was this true as well? Jump to next point. Let's see what happens now. Okay, that doesn't seem to do anything. Because we are 1. Okay, that makes sense. Let's try it again. That's weird. Am I doing it wrong? I'm doing it wrong again. This less than this? No, no, no. It's supposed to be the other way around. See this? It's supposed to be like this. Let's try it again. I'm just gonna see what happens. Yeah, I'll now have you on to the next point. But this is in the way, so I'm kind of like slowly nudging, kind of like get away, get away. I want to go to the next point. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Yes. And I go within range about here, and then I decide to move. Okay, it kind of works, but now this is not accurate because I need to. Last one. Now it should work. I'm gonna remove the obstacle again. Because and the only reason I wish I could, can I set a certain distance threshold? For example, that because the way the navigation 2D seems to work is it takes the position of the NPC in this case, which will be the little dot here, kind of in the middle center, or wherever it is. I don't know. It takes the center position of this little sprite and uses that as the collision. So basically, it could go here and it would be outside the or inside the collision box. I was wondering, is there a way to set the navigation to the point to be like this big? Like you're saying, it has to be this out. I mean, it can't be closer than that amount, you know. Well, from the half width, you know. So it would kind of be like this. So it will compensate for the size of the sprite. So you go like this and like this. That's what I have to figure out now. Let's see here. Navigation 2D. It might already have that. Nav poly, that's that thing. No, I don't need that. I mean, get simple path. No, no, you cannot scale it. I mean, a node in itself doesn't have a size. Only, like sprite have a size, the sprite texture and such. But for example, a node 2D. Well, maybe. But no, it wouldn't work that way. It will still be that position. Well, actually, I do see a solution for this. Actually. Well, let me test it one more time just to make sure it kind of works. Okay, it works. Kinda. Let me move the NPC back here. So if I do this now, it's gonna change. It's gonna calculate a different route. So you see this? All I have to do is just increase this. It's a dumb solution, but it might work. It might work. Silly enough. Unless I can find a way to just make it calculate itself to be this big. A little too close there. Let's make it bigger. I don't know how big I should make him, so I'm just gonna test now. Okay, that's too small. Too small. Make it bigger. How about now? Yeah, that's better. Oh, I see. It's the threshold is too big here. The this one is too big. Let's try 25. Yeah. I mean, I don't need collision. Hey, where are you going? Well, he left, and I'm going to do the same. I will. I might continue this a bit later, but probably not. But I might. But I'll probably won't until tomorrow morning. And then I'm just gonna live stream the entire thing. I'm just gonna be here, I'm just gonna code, I'm gonna focus on that, and then I'm gonna take breaks and communicate. And I'm gonna do that while coding as well, of course. I'm gonna be gone most of the time, unless when I'm not talking much. I don't know. I'm gonna close this, gonna close that. I love Twitch because it has such a low delay. I can actually say goodbye and not having to wait 2 minutes before you actually get the message. So I'm gonna close this live stream, and I would like to thank everyone for joining me. I was actually surprised by we have what, up to 20 people, which is nuts. It's insane. It's crazy. I mean, to me it's a lot. So I will see you guys some other time. Probably, maybe later, or maybe tomorrow, or maybe never. I don't know. Depends on you. And me, I guess, for streaming. So, you know, it's a joint effort between us. So I'm gonna close this. So see you guys there. Bye bye.